Baloks.
is Balokistan.
Balok peoples were forcibly disarmed.
Baloch nationalists.
Baloki was marginalized.
The Balukis in Balukistan, part of Iran, they would.
For f***'s sake, even my idol, Team Marshall, is at it. What is this Baloki I keep hearing time and time again? It makes me wonder why so many Western commentators keep calling us Baloks from Balokistan who speak Baloki. I mean, what is this? This is how you pronounce it. Baluchi language, not Baloki language. It is Baluch people from Balochistan who speak Baluchi language. How difficult is that? Che as in chocolate or Charlie Chaplin. Easy. Yes, I know we are irrelevant to ordinary Westerners, considering we are a minority group in a faraway land, but if you're going to talk about us, please at least have the common courtesy to address us correctly. On a positive note, every time I hear the word Balok, it makes me think of my grandma. So to finish up, our word of the day is Balok, meaning granny or grandmother in Balochi language. For example, Granaz is my granny. Granaz mani Balok ent. Granaz is a granny name. Granaz Baluki nam e ent. You can also use Baloki to describe soft foods, as in Baloki Barok. Her country is Grannyland. Aiye mulk Balokistan ent. Aiye mulk Balokistan ent. Let's end it here before I bore you to death.